Welcome to Anafram Market Perspectives.
Anafram Market Perspectives, Friday. Market Recap. Tariff Truce, AI Rebound, and Inflation Whispers. Welcome back to Anafram Market Perspectives. It's been a week of cautious optimism. Markets surged as cooling inflation and easing trade tensions brought relief, but uncertainty still looms. From Trump's headline-grabbing tariff rollback to earnings surprises in AI and enterprise software, investors had plenty to digest. S&P 500 weekly recap. A strong comeback, markets rallied, with the S&P 500 regaining ground lost during April's volatility. Tech led the charge. Tesla soared 20% plus on AI optimism and strong delivery forecasts. Nvidia, AMD, and TSMC jumped 10 to 15% following AI-centric trade deals during Trump's Middle East visit. Apple and Meta gained over 7%. Microsoft added 3% plus. Energy and financials also rallied. Chevron and Shell rebounded with oil. JP Morgan, Visa, and Goldman Sachs strengthened. Healthcare underperformed, with Johnson & Johnson and Eli Lilly dragging. Consumer staples and telecoms also lagged. Trump's tariff update, ceasefire, not peace. Trump shifted tone. In Riyadh, the U.S. and China agreed to a 90-day tariff truce, slashing duties from 145% to 30%. China cut its tariffs to 10%. Markets reacted swiftly. Shipping stocks surged, and Amazon rallied as supply chain fears eased. Trump also announced $600 billion in Saudi investments, including AI and infrastructure deals with Nvidia, Cisco, and Amazon, positioning U.S. tech in Gulf transformation. Domestically, Trump still pushes a 5% remittance tax, levies on EU goods, and tense trade talks with Mexico and Canada. Bottom line, the truce is real but temporary. Markets are optimistic, not complacent. Economic data, cooling inflation, sluggish growth. U.S. CPI April rose just 0.2% month-over-month and 2.3% year-over-year, cooling inflation concerns. PPI fell minus 0.5%, easing producer cost pressures. Retail sales rose just 0.1%. Industrial production stalled. Jobless claims steady at 229,000, stable, not strong. Globally, Mexico cut rates from 9.00% to 8.50% to boost growth. Canada's housing starts rose to 278.6 thousand, showing resilience. Japan's GDP shrank 0.1%, highlighting global demand fragility. Takeaway: inflation is easing, but momentum is cooling. The Fed may stay on hold, but Powell's path depends on data. VIX. Volatility retreats, but caution remains. VIX fell below 19 as traders welcomed the truce and soft CPI. Still, hedging remains high. Markets are risk-on for now. A bad print or breakdown in talks could spark a reversal. Bonus recap. This week's picks in Review 1, Global X Cybersecurity ETF, BUG. Held above Ichimoku Cloud. MACD stayed bullish. Cybersecurity and AI defense demand supported gains. Verdict, quiet strength, strong hold. 2. Monday.com. Crushed earnings, 1.1 EPS versus 0.70 EST. 282 million revenue. Consolidated near highs post-report. Verdict, momentum strong, enterprise software is leading. 3. Cisco. Beat expectations, 0.96 earnings per share, 14.1 billion revenue. Spiked, now stabilizing technically. Verdict, AI infrastructure play with room to grow. Final takeaways? Tech leads, but watch for sector rotation. Tariff truce helps, but the clock is ticking. CPI and PPI favor the Fed pause, but weak demand signals caution. Monday's picks paid off. Earnings and technicals aligned. Join us Monday for your next market preview and new picks. This is Anafram Market Perspectives. Stay informed, stay strategic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe and share this with others. See you next time on Anafram Market Perspectives. time on Anafram Market Perspectives. Oh, you gotta love